and pour it into my cup. Have a seat, please. Okay, pour it right into that magazine. Okay, the whole cup. Okay, now see, there's no more milk. Okay, the whole milk went into the magazine.
Oh, it's so cool!
And she made the milk disappear. Johnny, go away. She made the milk disappear. Look, the milk just disappeared.
That's so cool! I know what it was.
Okay, now let's make the milk reappear again. So what we're gonna do, hold the cup, Johnny, and she's gonna pour the milk right back out. Make sure to pick it up so everybody can see.
Oh.
There goes the milk.
Oh, that's so
Isn't that cool? She made the milk reappear again.
Oh.
If you know it, don't say the trick. That was an awesome trick. Okay, let's give a hand for CJ and Johnny. That was an awesome trick. And you guys, if you have a trick that you want to show, you can do it next Sunday. The whole month of November, we're going to do magic trick. Remember how we did jokes in October?
Oh, yeah.
So in November, we're going to do magic tricks. If you know one, you could practice one at home. Or like if you're in a library at school, go on the internet and look for magic tricks that kids could do. Or in the library, find a book about it or something, and you can like learn magic tricks and do them next time. We could have like 3 or 4 people even do it. As many kids as are ready to do, you can do magic tricks.